let me just take you right back on the main details of the admin user. So as you can see over here, we have got the admin site, which is this one. So all I have to do is just click on this particular site, and this gives me the access to the admin site, and this is the username on the admin site. I'm just gonna put in the username over here, and every site that you are going to generate is going to have a unique password to it. So I'm just gonna put in the password right over here. I'm gonna hit login, and this will take me to the back end of that website. So right over here, the number of users is 1. Again, you can add in additional users, as I've just shown you on how to add additional users, and the number of active users, inactive users. So app login, again, the details are listed right over here for you on that. And then let me just minimize this, go back on this, and then we have got the site settings. So the main settings are right over here. So in this particular setting, you can add and open your AI key. You've got your logo. If I want to change my logo, I can do that from here. If I want to change the title of my site, I can do that from here. Again, we have got meta tags. You can put your tags over here, your keywords over here. If you want to change the primary color of your site, you can do that from here. Add in more to the description, you can do that from here. And then we have got the manage users. Again, you can add users, and the list of the users that you're adding is going to be listed right over here, and the passwords are just showing right over here for you guys. And again, on this particular users list, if I want to add users, I'm just going to click on this and put in the name of the user, username of the user, email address, and password, and that will be saved in this particular section, which is the users list. We have got advertisements over here, and the beauty of this particular website is I can put in banner ads, I can put in my affiliate links, my offers, and add ads over here. And yep, so the recommended advertisement image size is this 728 by 90, and right over here we have got the payment configuration. Guys, do not forget this particular section, because this is very, very important for you guys to put in these details, because this is very essential for you to get paid on your site by various different sources. So just make sure that you always add in your details on this particular section of PayPal key, so that you can configure your payments. And then we have got the lead management, and whatever leads that you will be capturing are going to be listed right over here. And how to get started with those leads is basically you just adding your autoresponder. No matter which autoresponder you're using, you can just put in the client ID and the API key and the app ID and the secret key or URL to get started. So you can actually add Aweber, iContact, Send Plus, Active Campaigns, you've got SendLane, you've got GetResponse, MailChimp, MailerLite, you have got Sendinblue, you've got MailWiz, and you've got SLA API settings, Sendio. The list is absolutely massive, so I'm sure you using any of these autoresponders will be very, very easy for you guys to get started with this particular section over here. We've got page builder, which is the most important aspect or section rather on your website, and because this will actually give you access to the back end of the page, and you can actually make any changes you want on that particular page. So you can actually change the styles, you've got advanced settings over here. You can change content. If you want to add pages, you can add pages. So this particular section is going to give you access to the main part of the website to make those changes. So if you want to amend these details over here, you can just get started by amending, say about if I want to change that to 300 or 400 or 500, I can just do that over here. 500 plus businesses, 200 plus businesses. And if I want to change any of these details, to skyrocket business growth in a cost-effective manner, and 100% ChatGPT-4 powered AI technology that works seamlessly on all devices or on all mobile phones. So just you can just make those changes on all devices and phones, or smartphones rather. So yeah, I mean, you can make all the changes in the world, and you can make all the amendments that however way you like, and in whichever way you want to make those changes, or rather styles. You can just do that. And yeah, so this panel makes things a lot more easier for you. So this page is all editable, and this page is all as per you can set this up as per your requirement, and make all the changes as per your requirement, irrespective of any logo being changed, or you want to delete that, you want to add in your logo. So you can just get started by doing that. And yeah, so let me just take you right back to this particular section over here. Let me just leave the site, and whatever changes that you want, you can just save those changes. All the changes will be saved under this particular section of page builder. So, and again, you can actually go back to the dashboard section of admin panel, and you can log out of that particular section just by clicking on logout. So it will just take you out of that particular page. And yeah, moving forward to the user or platform user management, as I've just shown you on how you can add the user, you just have to select that domain, and you can keep adding how many users you want, basically. So you can just get started by creating multiple users. And yeah, so if I just submit this, and it will be listed. Okay, so it's not okay, as I've used that particular email, so it's not let me use that email again. So I'm just going to use another email over here, and I'm just going to put the password over here and hit submit, and that is another user which is added to the AI tool shop, and I can actually log in using this particular username